Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your mouse moving on its own in Windows 10 or 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you will be able to fix your mouse moving on its own in Windows 10 or 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, you have to check if there is any dust particles on your touchpad or mouse. If there is, then you have to clean them thoroughly because dust particles could cause the cursor to move unexpectedly. And if you are using an external mouse, always use a mouse pad because if you don't use mouse pad, then surface of the mouse will be damaged, which will affect the sensor and it may result in the mouse moving on its own. And if you are using a wireless mouse, then make sure that your mouse has enough battery charge, and if your mouse is rechargeable, then try recharging it, or if it uses replaceable battery, then try putting the new batteries, because when the battery is low, then a wireless mouse may start moving unexpectedly or become unresponsive. Also, you can fix your mouse settings. For that, open your settings on your PC. And in the search bar, search for mouse. You can see the option of mouse settings. Tap on that. And here you can adjust the mouse pointer speed, and you can adjust other mouse settings as well. And you can go to the additional mouse settings and adjust the pointer icons and visibility. By adjusting these mouse settings, you can fix your problem of mouse moving on its own in Windows 10 or 11. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.